The other day on the live stream, I was asked, Mike, what is up with Lucid's 5-second rule? And I gotta warn you guys about it. It could affect your payout. Now, Lucid Trading has three main accounts. We have the Pro account, we have the Flex, and we have the Lucid Direct accounts. And when you come over here real quick and just simply scroll on down here, we don't see anything about any type of 5-second rule. However, if we go right up here to the FAQ, we come right down towards this area. Now, let's say since I trade with the Lucid Flex accounts, I click on Lucid Flex and I go ahead and I scroll down. I start looking for, can I find anything about a 5-second rule? I don't see anything under the evaluation account. Under the funded account, I also don't see anything about a 5-second rule. Under the payouts, we scroll through that. I see nothing about the 5-second rule. And if we go through any of the other ones, also, I do not see anything about a 5-second rule. However, if we back out here just a quick, there's two different things that you really want to pay attention to. Come right down here to where it says rules and guidelines. And there's going to be two things you really want to pay close attention to. Now, for most traders, this is not going to be an issue. But right here, let's look at the first one, prohibited high frequency trading. Well, if we look right here, high frequency trading is a type of automated trading strategy that involves submitting and executing a high volume of trades within extremely short time frames. Often measured in seconds or even milliseconds, these strategies are typically powered by algorithms and designed to exploit minute price inefficiencies at speed. Now, what happens if you use an HFT? Well, they're not going to ban you right off the rip. Instead, the first offense, you're going to get a written warning. Repeat offenses, all profits generated from the HFT activity will be removed, account will be closed, and you will be permanently restricted from using Lucid trading services. However, if we look down there, I still see nothing about any type of 5-second rule. Also, let's talk about this real quick. Why does Lucid actually prohibit this type of activity? And it basically goes on to say that HFT strategies can result in hundreds of orders being placed within minutes, generating an unusual high load on platform infrastructure, allowing HFTs could degrade platform performance, create data instability, negatively impact the user experience for all traders, and something they failed to mention on here. If Lucid decides they want to copy certain traders, well, if you're sitting there at a high frequency of trading, being able to copy that on their end is going to be very, very difficult. Well, now we go back and we look at the other rule, and this is where we're going to find the 5-second rule. And this is going to be right under here under prohibited microscalping. So if you click right there real quick, let's talk about what microscalping is. Microscalping refers to a trading tactic where a trader attempts to capture very small price movements using very large size with extremely short time frames, often just a few seconds. The goal is typically to exploit how simulated fields work rather than to execute a sustainable trading strategy. Now, they also go on to say basically that this is not the same as genuine scalping, which involves short-term trades without attempting to manipulate platform behavior. Genuine scalping is permitted as long as it reflects realistic market activity and order execution. Well, if you look right here real quick, let's talk about what happens if you're microscalping. Lucid Trading uses automated systems to detect microscalping patterns. So basically, if more than 50% of your profits are generated from trades held less than 5 seconds, well, guess what? They are going to be considered microscalping. So it doesn't go on to say that you cannot have a trade that is less than 5 seconds. It just says that more than half of your trades have to be held for a longer duration than 5 seconds. Let me know in the comment section down below, will this rule actually affect the way that you trade? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, let's talk about the enforcement of this policy. If your account is flagged, Lucid will initiate a manual review to verify whether the behavior violates company policies. If bad faith activity is confirmed, you may receive a written warning. Number 3, if flag behavior continues after the warning, all profits from microscalping activity will be forfeited. You may be permanently restricted from using Lucid trading services. And again, I don't have any problem with this. Yes, I have some trades that last 1, maybe even 2 seconds, and those feel good, but a majority of my trades last longer than 5 seconds. So for me, this is really not going to be a deal breaker. And right now, Lucid is having a sale. So if you want to save 50% and you haven't used the coupon code Mike yet, you can essentially get 50% off any account, either the Pro, the Flex, or the Lucid Direct accounts. And then any accounts after the first 2 accounts, you can save 40% on any of these accounts. So if you guys want to take advantage of that offer, use the link in the description box down below. And don't forget, you can always go to propfirmmike.com, not only search by prop firms, but also by the challenges. So let's say For instance, we want to look for a $50,000 account size. We want an end of the day drawdown type. We can see all the options that come up. Now, one of the things we want to do once we see this, go right over here to true cost. Simply double click on this and it's going to sort from the cheapest to the most expensive. And look, Lucid Flex right now with using promo code Mike, you can get it for as low as $65. And once you've already determined which account you want to buy, simply click on Lucid Trading right there and just go ahead and scroll on down so you can go ahead and read all the evaluation rules, the hard breach rules, and the funded rules all in one simple locations. So if you guys want to check out the website, don't forget to visit propformike.com. Now, after you purchase your Lucid Trading account and you want to learn how to set up Lucid Trading where you can trade with Tradeovate but execute your trades on the NinjaTrader platform, then you want to make sure to watch this next video right here.